Yo, you know the one Demented is back and fuck me am I hyped. Cause this Justice League line sold out, mate, fucking years ago. And I really messed up not getting these. But yeah, I got the, it's after I've got this Darkseid, mate, from Prime One. You know what I mean, I need the entire lineup now. And I've luckily managed to get, this is the first one, Batfleck Batman. Look how intense that is. Do you know what I mean? So I'm so hyped. Let's go. Yeah, I've got the box open, fucking... Obviously this has got to be second hand, I'm sure it is, it's got to be. Surely. Can't be brand new. It was packaged very well anyway. So that's all that matters, innit, really? Fucking get these bits out. So yeah, I've got some of the pieces on this bit here. Batfleck, oh my god, that's intense. I was worried for a minute then. There were weird cobwebs and shit, mate, all inside there, and there's a bit of mould on the packaging. Thought the fucking statue was mouldy for a minute. It seems alright. You know what I'm saying? Right, let's go. So yeah, let's have a look at this Justice League Batfleck base. Obviously a nice bat symbol. Similar base as what Darkseid's got, the same base, or should we say Darkseid's got the same base as these. Of all these, all Darkseid's looks better, to be fair, his base. The colour in like these bits. Some of the detail in the top of the base. Oh, why is it going fuzzy? Yeah, all this cape bullshit was quite a bit of fucking about. Pissing around, you know what I mean? I don't have time to be pissing around with capes when I'm just that excited over finally getting a Justice League statue. And I would let people know where I've had this statue from, but I don't want anyone else to steal my statues, so it can't be done. But yeah, if my guy's watching, thanks mate for getting me this one. You're a diamond, you know what I mean? Absolute diamond. Safe. Fuck me.